Hi everyone, welcome back to Amaze Math, and today we'll look at the multiplication tables 1, 2 all the way to 12. So these are the tricks and the easy hacks you can apply. Before I start the video, make sure you press the like button and subscribe, and make sure you watch till the end. So we'll start with the 1 times table. So times 1 table, we'll do 1 times 1 all the way to 12. 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5, 1 times 6, 1 times 7, 1 times 8, 1 times 9, 1 times 10, 1 times 11, and 1 times 12. So this one is a very easy times table. So when you multiply a number by 1, you'll get the number. So if you're doing 1 times 1, you'll get the number, which is 1. 1 times a number, you get the number, this one, so 2. So this one will get 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6, the number is 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9, 1 times 10, 1 times 11, and 1 times 12. So that's the easiest times table you'll ever get. Even if you get like 1,000 times 1, it will just be 1,000. Or maybe 999 times 1, it will be times 1. Okay, so let's go on to the next times table. We have the 2 times table. So 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times, let me make this one 3 times 2. So the next one is 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2, 9 times 2, 10 times 2, 11 times 2, 12 times 2. So what you need to know with the 2 times table, always ends with an even number. So the answer will always end with an even number, and times 2 is the same as taking the number and doubling it. So we can take this number, we double it, so 1 plus 1 is 2. We take this number, 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7, 14. Or otherwise you can skip count. So from 14 you skip 15, you go to 16. Skip 17, you go to 18. Skip 19, you go to 20. Skip 21, you go to 22. And last but not least, skip 23, you go to 24. So this one you can apply skip counting. So skip counting, or you can do doubling. Okay, so it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so forth. So that's 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, and finally 6 times 2. Okay, on to the next times table. We have times 3. So actually let me start with 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, 3 times 8, 3 times 9, 3 times 10, 3 times 11, and 3 times 12. So now since we know the 1 times table, we can just say any number times 1 is that number. 3 times 2, the 2 times table, you double the number, that will be 6. Okay, so now we continue. So you notice here with the 3 times table, you're just adding 3 to the previous number. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, plus 3, 24, plus 3, 27, plus 3, 30, plus 3, 33, and finally plus 3, 36. So we go on to the 4 times table. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, and then 4 times 10, 4 times 11, 4 times 12. So on this side I'll show you one trick, and then the next side we'll do another method. So times 2 is the same as doubling and doubling again. So for example, so already we know 4 times 1 times table is the number. So 4, this one is 2 times table, 4 plus 4 is 8. So doubling, what do we mean? So we double the number. So the number is 3 in the 4 times table. So double it, it will be 3 plus 3 is 6. And then you double again. So 6 plus 6 would be 12. So you take the number which is in the 4 times table, you double it. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. You take the number 5, double it. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. You take the number 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. So as I said in the 3 times table, you know, with multiplication, you just repeated addition of the same number. So here we're just adding 4. So the next, this side we can do the repetition addition of 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28, plus 4, 32, plus 4, 36, plus 4, 40, plus 4, 44, plus 4, 48. So times 4 is the same as doubling the number. So for example, you can take 7, you double it, you get 14. Then you double the 14 again, you get 28. If it's 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. If it's 12, 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 12, 48. So the next times table is 5. So 5 is also another very easy times table because it will always end. So it ends with 0 or 5. So the number will always end with 0 or a 5. So let's do now 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, 5 times 7, 5 times 8, 5 times 9, 5 times 10, 5 times 11, and 5 times 12. So here let's apply skip counting. We're going to use skip counting by 5. So the first number definitely will be 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60, and so forth. So it will always end with a 5 or a 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. And that's how you know the divisibility test of 5. It will always end with a 5 or a 0, like that. Okay, let's go to the next times table. We have times 6. So 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5, 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9, times 10 and 6 times 12. Okay, so we already know our 1 times table. 1 times 6 will be that number. 2 times 6 will be double this number, 12. We continue adding 6 to the previous number. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 will be 24, the same as 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. And then the 6 times 5, we have it over here. 6 times 5 is 30. Add another 6, 36. Add another 6, 42. Add another 6, 48. 54, 60, 66, and 72. So now let's do the 7 times table. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5, 7 times 6, 7 times 7, 7 times 8, 7 times 9, 7 times 10, 7 times 11, and 7 times 12. So again, we keep counting by 7. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 7, 28 plus 7, 35 plus 7, 42 plus 7, 49 plus 7, 50, 6 plus 7, 63 plus 7, 70 plus 7, 77 plus 7, 84. Okay, the next times table we have times 8. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 8 times 9, 8 times 10, 8 times 11, and 8 times 12. Okay, so we can use the times table we have done already. So like the 1 times table, 1 times 8 will be 8, 2 times 8 will be double of 8 is 16. And then the 4 times table, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32. For the 8 times 5, we can use the fingers as well. So 8 fingers out, and then we count in 5. So 8 fingers out, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So that's 40. And then which other times table? That's 8. Okay, so 8 times 3, 16 plus 8 would be 24. We continue adding 8, so 48. 48 plus 8 would be 56. And another way of adding 8 is the same as adding 10, and then you subtract 2. So 56 plus 10 is 66 minus 2, 64 plus 10, 74 minus 2, 72 plus 10, 82 minus 2, 80 plus 10, 90 minus 2, 88 plus 10, that will be 98 minus 2, 96. So 8 is the same as adding 10 and then minus 2 to your answer. So for 9 times table, we have like a few ways of doing the 9 times table. So I'll show you. So 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9, 9 times 10, 9 times 11, 9 times 12. So the first way of doing it is you take from 1 times table to 10 and you start with 0. Okay, so you're writing 0, 1, 2, going like that until 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then from here we count from 9 going downwards, 9, 8, 7 until you get to 0. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So that's the first way of doing it. The second hack for the 9 times table is you use your fingers. So if it's 9 times 1, so from the left side, you fold the first finger because it's 9 times 1. Then count all the fingers to your left side is none, so 0. So 0 is there. And how many fingers to your right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 9. If it's 9 times 2, you fold the second finger like that. Count all the numbers to the left side. We have 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So it becomes 18. 9 times 3, fold the third finger, then 2 on your left side and 7. So it becomes 27. So the third hack, you take the 1. So it's 9 times 1, you take the 1. Then you minus 1. So always minus 1. So you get 0. So what do you add to 0 to give you 9? You add 9. So 0, 9. So the answer will be 0, 9. 9 times 2, you take the 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So it becomes 18. If it's 3, 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So the answer will be 27. The next one, we have 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus what will give you 9? 3 plus 6. So it becomes 36. Then 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So it becomes 45. If it's 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 becomes 9. So 54. So now if it's 7, you do 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it becomes 63. Then 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So 72. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 81. The last one, 10 minus 1 is 9 plus 0 is 9. So 90. That becomes 90. So those are the 3 hacks. You can choose which one you prefer. Now to continue with this one, you just add 9. So 99. And another way of adding 9 is the same as 10 minus 1 will give you 9. So 90 plus 10 is 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 plus 10 is 109 minus 1 is 108. Now on to the next times table. Another very easy times table. 10 times 1, 10 times 2, 10 times 3, 10 times 4, 10 times 5, 10 times 6, 10 times 7, 10 times 8, 10 times 9, 10 times 10, 10 times 11, 10 times 12. So this one is another super easy times table. So you just take the number, which is 1, and you add a 0. Add 1 0. Take the number 2, add 1 0. Take the number 3, add 1 0. Take the number 4, add 1 0. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Take the number which is 10, add another 0. So take the number 11, add a 0. Take the number, add a 0. The next times table is 11. So 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 11 times 4, 11 times 5, 11 times 6, 11 times 7, 11 times 8, 11 times 9, 11 times 10, 11 times 11, 11 times 12. So 11 times 1 is the same as taking this number and adding another number, the same number. So you take 2 and you put another 2. Take 3, add another 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 77, 88, 99. So the 10 times table, you take the number, add the 0. So the next two numbers we can add 11, and adding 11 is the same as 10 plus 1. So 110 plus 10 is 120, 120 plus 1 is 121. 121 plus 10 is 131, plus 1 is 132. So that's a very easy times table. Now in the last times table we have 12. 12 times 1, any number times 1 is the number 12. 12 times 2 is the same as doubling 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So there's a trick also for the 12 times table. You write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you skip 5, you go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip 11. You write 12, 13, and 14. Now the second numbers will be the even numbers from 2, 4, 6, like that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. That's a nice hack for the 12 times table. So, or the other way you can do is just put 12 plus 12 like that until you get to the end. Just to summarize on the 12 times table, for the first digit you write 1, 2, 3, 4, skip number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, skip 11, 12, 13, and 14. For the second digit, so these ones are even numbers, and then skip 5 and 11. So even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. So that marks the end of our lesson today. I hope you've learned something new in the times table, and thank you for watching till the end. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and share with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.